The Nome Gold Rush was a gold rush in Nome, Alaska, approximately to 1899 to 1909. It is separated from other gold rushes by the ease of which gold could be obtained. Much of the gold was lying in the beach sand of the landing places and could be recovered without any need for a claim. During the rush, Nome was a seaport without a harbor and the biggest town in Alaska. Together with Colning Gold Rush, 1896 to 1899, Nome is the biggest gold rush north of 60 degrees latitude on the North American continent. It shared prospectors with both Klondike and later rushed like Fairbanks. It is memorized in films like North to Alaska. Nome City still exists and the area is mined. As no mining districts by tourists, total production of gold from the area is estimated to be 1,200 metric tons. The population in Nome in 2010 of 3,598 people. Many Alaskans are happy and excited for this event because not much happens besides the Iditarod.
Whenever and wherever you travel in the Great Land, clothing is always a primary consideration. Emphasis should be based on comfort because the dress code is informal and casual. A layer technique is generally good here. Temperatures in Alaska during the summer range from 60 to 80 degrees. Nighttime and early mornings are cooler from the 40s to 50s. Late August and departures could encounter cooler temperatures and slightly fewer hours of sunlight, as fall arrives early at these latitudes. Over 1,000 vertebrate species are found in the Alaskan state. More than 900,000 roam in 32 herds across landscapes. On the Copper River Delta alone, 5 to 8 million shorebirds stop to forage and rest each spring on their way to Arctic. Alaska has 32 species of carnivores, more than any other state. Most of Alaska's fish and wildlife population are considered healthy. More than 400 species are listed as threatened or endangered. Well, here you can see in each checkpoint in Alaska, they have little dog houses just for the dogs when they get there to rest. Especially when the dogs drop, counting the fact that you're either injured or sick. Now for Alaska, state flower, forget-me-not, state bird, willow, state tree, Sitka spruce. State mammal, moose. State gem, jade. State mineral, gold. Spore, dog mushroom, of course.